Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to drag to resize a selection in Photoshop for 2-way. I already removed this background for this image. Then select, hold Control, click. Now see this automatically selected and select to step 2. Select quick selection tool. Click and drag it and hold base tray for hold Control T. Then click and drag it. Or not work these options, simply Control Z for duplicate layer, then again hold Control T, press Control T on your keyboard, then hold Shift, click and drag it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.